Hi, friends!
Powles Head Lighthouse is a historic gem located in Trepassey, Newfoundland. Built in 1902, the lighthouse originally featured a small wooden tower. In 1925, it was replaced by a metal tower, but the original lighting equipment remained the same. To reach Powles Head Lighthouse, you'll take a scenic drive along a dirt road with some potholes. While the journey can be bumpy, the beautiful scenery and stunning views at the end make it worth the trip. Even lowrider cars can manage the drive, and you'll see fascinating rock formations along the way. The lighthouse offers fantastic views of the surrounding landscape. Visitors can stop to take walks and enjoy the natural beauty, with dramatic rocks and picturesque vistas all around. Rumor has it that the old lighthouse keeper, who served for 47 years, still lives on site, even though the light is now automated. Meeting him adds a touch of history and authenticity to your visit. Enjoy your adventure to Powles Head Lighthouse and the beautiful sights it has to offer.
Thanks for watching!